Here I have LENOVO K6, and today I'm going to show you how to connect this device, how to connect headphones Samsung Galaxy Buds Live to this device. So to do this, what you have to do is to just enable Bluetooth on your device. And then you will find these headphones in the available devices. So just tap on them, and after that they will be paired. And that's how you can do it. So if you want to unpair them or just forget this device, so tap on this gear icon and then tap forget. And that's how you can do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.